Hi friends, we are back here with Catherine. We have a wonderful violin for a beginner. So we're going to just give it a quick demo, let you hear it and hear the value of this wonderful European violin.
I would say this is a very nice and bright instrument. It has a clear sound, and you're able to really produce a nice and direct and clear tone with it, which is really great for someone who is learning the instrument and who is learning to produce all of those, good violin sounds, either from the start or kind of, maybe towards the middle of your journey. I love how you can really hear the two different types of articulations that I am trying to achieve with this instrument. You can really hear the very clear staccatos, and with effort and with practice, you can really, have a clear staccato by grabbing the string or bouncing the string off of the strings, and it really responds well to that. And switching in between those short articulations and the more smoother, longer bow articulations, it's very easy to switch between the two. So I'll play a couple more tunes, but I like how articulatively responsive this instrument is. Tangent, my apologies. It's very clear. You hear every single note, and also the double stops really ring out, and you're able to hear both of the notes of the double stops. Double stops are where you play two notes at the same time on the instrument. And I played a couple of triple stops, which is playing three notes kind of broken up like this. That's a triple stop, and then this is a quadruple stop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, you really hear each of those notes. So learning double stops and triple stops and quadruple stops are something that you're going to use and learn in some of your earlier pieces. And so I really love how clear this instrument is able to produce all of these different sounds. So I believe that, if you're a beginner, if you are looking to upgrade from your 3/4, but you're still kind of a little bit early in your violin journey, I would say that this instrument would be a perfect fit. It has a very clear tone. You're able to hear everything on it, which is really important to develop your ears as you are, going about your violin journey. And so if you're wanting a very nice, clear, and bright violin that has a great sound and has a loud sound, I would say that this is your instrument. So you should definitely come and check it out.
Wonderful, thank you, Catherine. And we do have on there the dominant strings. So synthetics, they're easier than steel strings for your starts and stops, especially for a beginner. So we have this set up and optimized for those that are starting out and want a good sounding violin and doesn't want to break the budget, and you don't want to buy just the stuff from Amazon that comes not set up. So here it's set up, and Catherine demonstrated that, and it's vintage European. So triple win. Thanks for listening, my friends, and play on.